Hi, meet the new specialized bike Stumpjumper Expert Carbon 27.5. This is the bike that's consistently reaped kudos from the cycling media and countless riders. Why all the accolades? Our asymmetric carbon chassis delivers a perfect blend of bump-devouring suspension and effortless control. Technically speaking, this thing rips. The ultimate trail bike, the innovative sidearm frame design makes a lighter, better handling bike. By directly connecting all three mounting points of the rear end and shock to the frame, we've increased both stiffness and performance over bumps. End result? Total control, lightweight, capable, and stunning. The Stumpjumper Carbon chassis makes for one of the lightest, and yet most capable, trail bikes anywhere.
Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.